Hi, I am Sandy from The Work Is Getting to Me, and this is the second part of a tutorial on how to spin a yarn that has this sort of coloration. And last video I showed how to create a single, and I've now wound that onto my bobbin, which is sitting right here. And then the next step is to ply the yarn using the Navajo plying method in such a way that the color actually pools to create vibrant spots. So you can see on this ball kind of a demonstration of that. If the yarn is pooled as you make your chain, the color will be very vibrant. But if you don't really pay attention, you'll have a lot of spots where you have this sort of effect, where there's one ply of color and two plies without. The most important part of creating this yarn is the plying. So now I'm going to show you an example with something a little easier to see. This is a variegated color yarn, and you can see that it's got pink and then some yellow and then pink again and then a little bit of yellow. And I've already chain plied a little example of how this is done. You do one big chain of pink, and then when you come to the little yellow segment, you do a short chain to ensure that the yellow doesn't mix with the pink in the rest of the chain, and then a long pink chain, and then a short little yellow chain. So you get this yarn with just little spots of color. So I just did this short yellow chain. I am ready again to do the pink, and I stop right as the color shifts, and then make a chain that ends right when the color shifts back. And then just, you have your little yellow fleck, and you just repeat the same process. Now I'm going to show you the same concept with the actual yarn, and I've set my bobbin up in my box. I use a box instead of a lazy cape because that's what I'm used to. And I'm just going to start as you would doing any normal 3-ply. At this point, I'm about to hit a red spot, so it's time to start paying attention. And I want to hit the knot right as the natural color fades out of the yarn, because there's definitely maybe 4 inches of overlap in the fibers. So right there. I don't know if that's really visible, but you'll definitely see as the red is stronger. And now this is the shorter red chain. You can see the difference between the natural color and the red now that it's a little bit thicker. And then just continue. This is pretty much the end of the lesson on plying with pooled colors. But you can see a little bit of my spindle now with the color on, and when you're done with your spindle, you would just put it into a skein, wash, whatever you usually do, and then you're ready to knit. Since I'm still a beginner at this, there may be some technique errors in this video, and I apologize if there are. I would love to hear from more advanced spinners. if they have any advice on how to improve or any tips that maybe they want to share with everyone who watches this. If you liked this video, you might want to check out the text version and a whole bunch of other fun craft projects on my blog at theworkisgettingtome.blogspot.com. Bye.